How to install an external corner. Our detail kits are designed to stretch around any awkward details. Most internal corners can be folded without cutting the membrane, but external corners, for example around chimneys or skylights, normally require cutting. Mark the rubber as shown with chalk or similar. A should be 85 mm and B should be 135 mm. Prime the brickwork and rubber with a scrubber pad and allow to dry. Starting at the top, fold the detail kit through 90 degrees and carefully dress it down the upstand. Ensure it is firmly adhered into any angle changes and stretch into place as shown. Use extra flashing tape if needed to seal the top of tall corners.